Welcome. If you're looking to learn how to react to a text message in a group on Pinterest using your PC, you're in the right place. With Pinterest's latest update, it's now easier than ever to express yourself in group chats. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can start reacting to messages just like you do on other platforms. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Messages. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll see a list of all your conversations. Find the group chat you want to interact with and click on it to open the conversation window. Here, you'll see all the messages exchanged within the group. To react to a specific message, simply move your mouse over the message you want to respond to. As you hover over it, you'll notice a small react icon appearing next to the message. Click on this icon, and a selection of different reaction emojis will pop up. Take a moment to choose the reaction that best fits your response. Maybe you want to give a thumbs up, a heart, or even a laugh. Just click on your chosen emoji and your reaction will instantly appear below the message for everyone in the group to see. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can now easily react to messages in your Pinterest group chats on your PC. This new feature is a great way to add a little personality to your conversations and let your friends know how you feel without typing a word. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and updates. See you next time.